Hey there! How was your weekend? Hey, Alex. It was pretty good. I went to that new coffee shop downtown and spent some time catching up on assignments. How about you? Nice. I had a relaxing weekend too. Watched a movie and did some grocery shopping. By the way, did you understand the last lecture on quantum physics? I feel like I'm still trying to wrap my head around it. Oh man. Quantum physics always messes with my brain too. I'm thinking of forming a study group to go over the material. Would you be interested? Absolutely. That sounds like a great idea. Maybe it'll make more sense with a group discussion. Plus, it'll be a good way to get to know some other people in the class. Definitely. We can meet up at the library after class tomorrow. I'll send a message to a few others from the class as well. By the way, have you decided on a major yet? I'm leaning towards computer science, but I'm still exploring my options. How about you? I'm majoring in psychology. I find it fascinating to understand how the mind works. Maybe I can help analyze our quantum physics confusion from a psychological perspective. Haha. That would be interesting. Let's bring our quantum dilemmas to the study group and see if your psychological insights can untangle the mysteries of the universe. Deal. Looking forward to it. And hey, if you ever need a break from all the quantum craziness, we should grab lunch sometime. Absolutely. I'm down for that. Let me know when you're free.